Danny with your latest tech update. Most of us can spot a phishing scam, right? Spelling mistakes, bad grammar, sentences that sound like a robot's written them. Here's the bad news. Now a robot is writing them. And ironically, it's making them look even more human than before, which makes them even harder to spot. It didn't take long, but AI chatbots are already being used by cyber crooks who are determined to get you to fall for their scams. Security tools to spot messages written by AI are in development. In the meantime, we all need to be super vigilant. Phishing emails are still the #1 way you'll be targeted in a cyber attack. So our advice is the same as always. Double-check the sender's address. Don't click links in a suspicious email. If you're not sure, assume it's a scam. And don't forget, we're on hand for help and advice. That's your tech update. More next week.